Hi and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 63 Nova SS convertible. Absolutely a beautiful red on red car. Runs and drives like a brand new car. Come on up, let's check her out. Under the hood we have a wonderful 350 motor. It runs like a watch. All the shock towers, nothing has been cut on this car, which is very unusual because most people cut the fender wells out for headers. Power steering, stock exhaust manifold. Folks, this is just one beautiful, fun car to drive. It's got a beautiful paint job, red, beautiful chrome. Stainless is in real nice shape. The SS hubcaps are on there. All the doors, glass, and everything work really nice on the car. Check that out. Absolutely phenomenal. Nice steel car. Unbelievable. Solid car underneath, as you can see in the pictures. A couple little bubbles here and there. Nothing major on the car. The stainless right here has some scrapes on it. We're going to pop open the trunk and show you the beauty of the trunk. As you can see by the trunk, it's very sanitary. It's got a wonderful spare tire, trunk mat. Really a nice, solid, clean car, guys. These are hard to come by in this condition. The chrome bumpers look absolutely beautiful. Chrome exhaust tips. This car is just well done. As you can see down the body, the trim, everything looks real good. Sitting on some nice tires. Check out the beautiful red interior on here. Absolutely beautiful. Red painted dash. You got some aftermarket gauges so you can get accuracy on your volts, oil, and water temp. Center console, shifter. It's beautiful, guys, inside. I mean, just throw your family in there and take them for a little ride. Don't forget, you can call Tom 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. We also have pictures on our web of the top. It's a white top in beautiful condition. Alright, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this little SS. What a nice little car this is. I'd get in this car and drive it across country. It's got wonderful power steering, horns work, gauges work. I mean, what a cute little car this is. And I'll tell you what, these are becoming more rare and rare. And I love this red on red with the white top. It is absolutely stunning. Don't forget, you can call Tom at any time for Buy It Now at 248-974-9513, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Don't forget to become part of our social network at YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public, because cars like these are very hard to come by in good shape. So make sure you do yourself a favor and sign up. And also, if we don't have what you're looking for, click on our auto locator at our homepage. We'd love to help you put your dream in your driveway. And one more thing, before you buy a classic car, if you plan on buying one, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online at classiccarbuyingsecrets.com. We've saved many people thousands of dollars from scams, and we don't want you to make any of the deadly mistakes. Once again, thanks for joining us today, and remember, Tom is always available 7 days a week for any questions or pricing at 248-974-9513. We'd like to thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard.